Meet the 304 stainless steel round bar, the epitome of strength and versatility. Crafted to perfection, these precision ground shafts offer an exceptional combination of durability, corrosion resistance, and machinability. But what makes 304 stainless steel so special? At its core, 304 stainless steel is an alloy of iron, chromium, and nickel. This winning formula grants it an unparalleled resistance to corrosion, making it ideal for applications exposed to harsh environments such as marine, chemical, and food industry. Its ability to resist oxidation at high temperatures ensures reliable performance in extreme conditions. These wonders of engineering find their place in a multitude of industries, from aerospace and automotive, where their strength and resilience are put to the test, to medical and pharmaceutical fields, where cleanliness and hygiene are paramount. 304 stainless steel round bars excel in meeting diverse needs. They serve as critical components in precision machinery, fuel tanks, architectural structures, and even in everyday items like kitchen appliances and cutlery. The possibilities are endless. At Forte Precision Metals, we pride ourselves on delivering top-of-the-line 304 stainless steel bar stock meticulously crafted to the highest standards. Our commitment to excellence extends beyond the product itself. We offer expert centerless grinding services, ensuring your 304 stainless steel shafts meet your exact specifications. So, whether you're looking for a reliable source of 304 stainless steel round bars or require precision grinding services, visit our website today to learn more about our products and how Forte Precision Metals can fulfill your needs.